goat. Did you hear what Mama told you?
No.
Did you hear what Papa said?
No.
It's your nap time, little baby. Now you better stay in bed. But instead, well, Papa hauled the water and Mama fixed the chow. Baby danced the cha-cha with the chocolate-colored
cow.
You didn't raise your hand.
Yeah, I'm actually raising it, but you pick on me
say your
because
name.
you're like women, men.
Chase.
Yeah, you dirty Tommy.
Cow.
Cow! Ryan said
That is a
cow.
Capri Sun Max.
Of course. Why? What's the...
Whoa! Papa's water. Whoa! Mama's chow. Go, baby, giggle with the chocolate-colored cow. Did you hear what Mama told you?
No.
Did you hear what Papa said?
No.
It's your nap time, little baby. Now you better stay in bed. But instead, well, Papa read the paper, and Mama fell asleep. Baby shooby-doobied with the shaggy little
Sheep.
sheep. Say sheep. Not again, Mama muttered. I give up, Papa said. This baby's just not sleepy. He'll never stay in bed.
No.
So instead, get your fiddle, said the Mama, and your dancing shoes, said Pa. We'll have the best old polka fest in all of Arkansas. Are they all dancing, right?
Yeah.
Are you Ryan? Are they all dancing?
Yeah.
They danced until the sun went down and the moon was full and bright.
Yeah.
I'm tuckered out, Pa finally said. It's time to say goodnight.
Too dark. Too dark. There's a moon.
There is a moon.
Too dark.
It is dark. Ma and Pa kissed Baby as they tucked him into bed, with dreams of polka parties still a-dancing in his head.
I need to go back.
Good evening.
To the next.
Oh.
So, no. This is the pig, and this is the sheep, and this is the cow, and this is the goat, and this is baby.
Yes. Good. Thank you, Chase.
I'm very nice.
Baby is in the night, and he's dreaming about dancing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess who else has to go night now? Everybody!